Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss the 10 most used Norwegian action verbs. When mastering the Norwegian language, understanding commonly used action verbs can propel your proficiency significantly. Here are the 10 of the most frequently used action verbs in Norwegian, along with a brief description and illustration for each. Å være, å være, å være. To be. Jeg er glad, jeg er glad, jeg er glad. I am happy. Å ha, å ha, å ha. To have. Hun har en bok, hun har en bok, hun har en bok. She has a book. Å gjøre, å gjøre, å gjøre. To do, make. Hva vil du gjøre? Hva vil du gjøre? Hva vil du gjøre? What do you want to do? Å si, å si, å si. To say. Han sier noe interessant. Han sier noe interessant. Han sier noe interessant. He says something interesting. Å komme, å komme, å komme. To come. Kommer du snart? Kommer du snart? Kommer du snart? Are you coming soon? Å se, å se, å se. To see. Kan du se det? Kan du se det? Kan du se det? Can you see it? Å vite, å vite, å vite. To know. Jeg vet ikke, jeg vet ikke, jeg vet ikke. I do not know. Å gå, å gå, å gå. To go, walk. De går til skolen, de går til skolen, de går til skolen. They go to school. Å spise, å spise, å spise. To eat. Barna spiser frokost. Barna spiser frokost. Barna spiser frokost. The children are eating breakfast. Å ta, å ta, å ta. To take. Kan du ta dette? Kan du ta dette? Kan du ta dette? Can you take this? Having a grasp of these action verbs will allow you to communicate basic ideas and lay a foundation for more complex conversations in Norwegian. The next step would be to practice these verbs in different tenses and contexts to enhance fluency. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcript, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.